7 money habits that keep you poor. Stop doing these. Most people don't stay poor because they don't earn enough. They stay poor because of habits they repeat every single day, often without realizing it. If you've ever wondered why your money disappears so fast, why saving feels impossible, or why you're working harder every year but not moving forward financially, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to break down 7 money habits that silently keep people poor. These are not obvious mistakes. They are normal, socially accepted habits that feel harmless, but slowly destroy your financial future. The good news: once you recognize them, you can stop them. And stopping them can completely change your life. So watch until the end, because habit number 7 is the most dangerous, and almost everyone is guilty of it. Let's begin. Habit number 1: spending before saving. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is simple. They save only if there's money left at the end of the month. And usually, there isn't. Most people do this. They get paid, pay bills, spend on food, shopping, entertainment, and then try to save. Saving becomes optional. Spending becomes automatic. But wealthy people do the opposite. They save first. Even if it's a small amount, $10, $20, or $50, saving first builds discipline. It tells your brain, my future comes before my desires. If you wait to save, what's left? You'll always have excuses. This month was expensive, I'll start next month, I deserve this reward. Months turn into years. Years turn into regret. Fix this habit. Automate your savings. Treat saving like a bill you must pay, no excuses. Prohibited habit number 2: lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is when your spending increases every time your income increases. You get a raise, you upgrade your phone. New job, nicer clothes. More income, more subscriptions. On the surface, this feels like progress. But financially, you're standing still. Many people earning $30,000 struggle. Many people earning $100,000 struggle too. Why? Because spending always rises to match income. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by keeping more. If every raise disappears into a better lifestyle, you'll never get ahead. Fix this habit. When your income increases, lock your lifestyle at the same level for at least 6 to 12 months. Direct the extra money toward savings, investing, debt reduction. That's how wealth actually grows. Prohibited habit number 3: using debt for wants. Debt is one of the most powerful tools, or the most dangerous traps. Using debt for assets can help you grow. Using debt for wants keeps you poor. Many people swipe credit cards for gadgets, vacations, eating out, designer brands. They enjoy the moment, but pay for it long after the excitement is gone. Interest quietly steals your future income. Every dollar of interest is money you worked for, but never got to keep. Debt reduces your ability to save, your ability to invest, your peace of mind. Fix this habit. If you can't buy it in cash, pause. Ask yourself, will this matter in 1 year? Use debt strategically, or avoid it completely. Prohibited habit number 4: not having an emergency fund. Without an emergency fund, every small problem becomes a financial disaster. Car breaks down, credit card, medical bill, loan, job issue, panic. This creates a cycle: emergency debt, stress, bad decisions. An emergency fund is not an investment. It's protection. It buys calm time, control. You don't need a huge amount at first. Fix this habit. Start with a simple goal: $1,000 emergency fund. Then slowly build toward 3-6 months of expenses. This single habit can prevent years of financial damage. Prohibited habit number 5: avoiding investing because of fear. Many people say, I'll invest when I earn more. I don't understand investing. It's too risky. Meanwhile, inflation quietly destroys their savings. Money sitting idle is losing value every year. Investing doesn't require high-income complex strategies, perfect timing. It requires starting. Time is the most powerful factor in wealth building. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. Fear keeps people poor. Education creates confidence. Fix this habit. Start small. Index funds. Long-term mindset. Consistency over perfection. Doing nothing is often riskier than investing. Habit number 6: trying to look rich. One of the most expensive habits is trying to impress people who don't pay your bills. Luxury clothes, new cars, expensive lifestyle, funded by stress and debt. Real wealth is quiet. Fake wealth is loud. Looking rich keeps you poor. Being disciplined builds freedom. Money should work for you, not your image. Fix this habit. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlights. Focus on net worth, not appearances. Freedom, not approval. Prohibited habit number 7: having no long-term financial plan. The most dangerous habit is drifting without direction. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Most people don't plan how much they need when they want freedom, what they're working toward without a plan. Every decision is emotional. With a plan, decisions become simple. Wealth is not accidental. It's intentional. Fix this habit. Write down financial goals, monthly investing amount, long-term vision. Even a basic plan is better than none. Staying poor is rarely about intelligence. It's about habits. The good news: habits can be changed. You don't need to fix everything today. Start with one habit. Small changes, done consistently, create massive results over time. If this video helped you, backhand index pointing right, like the video. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to Practical Finance. Backhand index pointing right. Comment: which habit will you stop today? Your financial future starts with the decision you make.